Thrust reverser cowl door opening sequence. First, gain access to the hydraulic control unit lever and deactivate the thrust reverser system. Before unlocking the latches, open the latch access panel. Engage the thrust reverser take-up device on its bracket and turn the adjustment nut to push the two halves together and to relieve the tension on the latches. Once the tension is relieved, release the 5 latches at all positions: aft, center, and forward. Now, the adjustment nut of the take-up device is loosened to disengage the take-up device, which is then stored on its storage bracket. Before opening the thrust reverser cowl doors, make certain that the slats are retracted and the translating sleeves stowed. The thrust reverser cowl doors are opened using a hydraulic hand pump. Remove the dust cover from the quick disconnect and connect the hand pump. Open the hand pump valve and pump to pressurize the opening actuator until the reverser half reaches the fully open position. When the door is opened, unstow the hold-open rods from their storage brackets and attach them on their supports on the engine core. Unload the hand pump until the rods hold the weight of that half. Disconnect the hand pump manifold and put the cap on the quick disconnect. The second half is opened in the same way. Once all doors are opened, the engine is accessible for maintenance operations.